Memory grant feedback feature in SQL Server 2019 is an awesome feature. It helps the optimizer self-tune itself. Let's see a quick example. I'm using wide world importers. Make sure that the database compatibility level is set to 150 because that's needed for this feature to work. Here is a simple select statement selecting from sales.orders and order by order date descending. Let's go and execute this query and jump into the execution plan. The first thing you will observe that there is a warning symbol on the select operator, and let's zoom in and you will see that the amount of memory that was granted was about a GB, but actual usage was only 11 MB. That's quite a bit of difference. If you want to corroborate this further, you can go into the properties window and select the select operator and expand memory grant info section, and you can look at this particular property, which is memory grant feedback adjusted? And you can say no, this is the first execution. So about a GB was granted, but actual usage was only 11 MB. So what can you do? Well, this is an automatic tuning feature, sort of. So all you need to do is just go ahead and execute this query again, trying to simulate that this query has come a second time. And when the execution is complete, you go to the execution plan and you see now that the warning symbol has gone away, and you can see that memory grant is only 20 MB, much better than what it was. If you check the properties window again here for this particular section, memory grant, let me select the select operator, and there you go. And now you will see the next level for this particular property, which says, yes, it is adjusting. So there are various levels here. In this quick demo, I'm just introducing the feature to you, and you can see now it is only about 20 MB. Usage again is only 11 because that is what it needs, but then the comparison is 20 MB versus 1 GB. So great feature, and this was just the tip of the iceberg. Refer to Microsoft documentation and explore more about this feature. Well, if you like this video, do subscribe and share it or RT with your colleagues and friends. Visit SQLmaestros.com and SQLServerGeeks.com for more such content. Follow me on Twitter, _Bansal. Thanks for watching. See you soon in another video.